let's continue to pray for him, for his good health, especially during this time of Christmas, that we'll be able to continue to support him, and that we will express our support para alam niya na patuloy itong laban na ito, patuloy na yung pagdadasal at pagsuporta para sa kanya.
Opo, maaari po bang mabago yung sitwasyon na attorney ng dating Pangulo kung maglalabas po ng medical report na nagpapakita ng seryoso na kondisyon ng dating Pangulo?
Maaari naman din po. In fact, I read one item in doon sa Senate ni Attorney Kaufman na based on the medical findings, the one that was findings of the panel of medical experts that was convened by the ICC. According to them, that he's fit to stand trial, but at the same time, there is a collateral finding na he's too old to influence or even intimidate witnesses. So baka doon, it might give us some hope that they will reconsider the earlier finding of denial of interim release. Because among others, sinasabi nila capable pa siya na to influence or even intimidate witnesses. Sa kalagayan niya, sa akala niyo ba he would still be able to intimidate or influence witnesses? Mukhang hindi na po.